reading at the pool, you can see him arrive. He stood 4'6" and weighed 395. Kind of narrow at the shoulders and broad at the hips. Everybody hope Big Splash wouldn't slip. Big splash. Big splash. Big splash. Big bad splash. No one knows where Splash came from. He just showed up one day chewing his gum, eating on a Twinkie and some chocolate pie. If you spoke to Splash, he'd just say hi. Big Splash. Big Splash. Big Splash. Big bad splash. Some kid teased and called him names, but didn't bother Splash. He was always the same. For when they were alone, they treat him real nice, hoping for a Twinkie or maybe a slice of his pie. Big Splash, Big Splash, Big bad splash. It was cute little Susie who caught his eye. Susie would smile and old Splash would sigh. Then one day she held his hand and about sent Splash to the promised land. Big Splash. Big Splash. Big Splash. Big bad splash. I'll never forget that fateful day, but some kids acted up and the guard looked away. And cute little Susie fell into the pool, and nobody noticed her empty stool except Splash. Big splash, big splash, big bad splash. With a mighty leap, Splash jumped in the air, and the sun disappeared like the sky wasn't there. And then he came down with an awful sound, and water rose up 12 feet from the ground. Big splash, big splash, big splash, big bad splash. The kids started crying and running around, but no place to go when the water came down. And cute little Susie sat up on the ground, coughing and spitting and looking around for Big Splash. Big splash, big splash, big bad splash. Not everyone knew what happened that day till the kids started clapping and shouting hooray. They all remembered the golden rule and did their best to get him out of that pool. Big splash, big splash, big splash, big bad splash. The Splash stood tall in that waterless pit. Susie put a sign in front of it, and on that sign she wrote by hand, at the bottom of this pool stand the big, big man. Big splash, big splash, big splash, big bad splash.
He's a hero!
Big splash,
Get him out of the pool!
big splash.
Get that person